What should you do with hostile witnesses in a personal injury claim? Imagine sitting across from someone who clearly doesn't want to help your case. They might be angry, uncooperative, or even outright hostile. Handling witnesses like this can be tricky, but knowing the right steps makes all the difference. When you're working on a personal injury claim, especially during the investigation and discovery phase, you need to control the situation carefully. First, expect that hostile witnesses will be difficult. They might dislike you or your client and could try to give damaging or confusing answers. The key is to prepare thoroughly before questioning them. Think about what you want to find out and plan your questions to get clear, straightforward answers. The best way to do this is to ask short, direct questions that only need a yes or no answer. These are called leading questions. They suggest the answer you want and prevent the witness from telling a long story or explaining in ways that could hurt your case. For example, instead of asking, "Can you tell me what you saw that day?" you might ask, "Did you see the accident happen?" This limits their ability to elaborate in a damaging way. If the court officially declares the witness hostile, you are allowed to treat them like a cross-examination. That means you can ask more leading questions during your direct examination. This gives you more control over their answers and helps you keep their testimony in check. Timing can also be important. Calling a hostile witness early in the trial can sometimes be smart. It allows you to undermine their credibility before the other side gets a chance to present their case. For example, if the defendant is a doctor involved in the injury, calling them as a hostile witness first can expose weaknesses in their story. Throughout the process, stay calm and professional. Losing your temper or showing frustration can make you look bad and weaken your position. Keep your voice steady and your questions focused. This helps you maintain control and project confidence. In summary, when dealing with hostile witnesses in a personal injury claim, you should prepare for tough testimony. Use short, leading questions to limit their answers. Take advantage of the court's allowance to treat them as hostile. Think carefully about when to call them, and always stay calm. Following these steps helps you manage difficult witnesses effectively and keeps your case strong during investigation and discovery.